Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mango sorbet with just 2 ingredients. First, gather your ingredients. About 4 cups of frozen mango chunks and a 1/4 cup of a liquid sweetener like agave or honey. Ensure your mangoes are ripe before freezing them for optimal flavor. This simple combination creates a refreshing and delicious treat that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this easy recipe. Now, let's blend our ingredients to create that perfect sorbet texture. Place your 4 cups of frozen mango chunks and the 1/4 cup of sweetener into a sturdy food processor. Begin pulsing the mixture, stopping often to scrape down the sides with a spatula. This ensures all the mango gets incorporated evenly. Continue pulsing until the mixture transforms into a thick, creamy, and smooth consistency, resembling soft-serve ice cream. The key to great sorbet is achieving the right texture. You'll want to continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, without any large chunks of mango remaining. If your mixture seems too thick or isn't blending well, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or mango juice to help it along. Be careful not to add too much liquid, as this can make your sorbet icy. Aim for a consistency similar to soft serve. Once your mango sorbet reaches the desired consistency, it's ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it immediately for a delightful soft-serve experience. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 hours. Before serving from the freezer, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Garnish with fresh mango or mint for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.